Hey, Promise Team, let's talk about Eucalyptus Radiata. Okay, this is an amazing oil. Now, I don't know what you guys know about eucalyptus, but it is actually comes from the leaves of a tree that is grown in Australia. So you picture like koala bears like up in the eucalyptus tree, just like munching on these incredible, that's what they're eating, that's what they love. But there's over 700 different species of eucalyptus. So you're gonna find lots of eucalyptus. It's been used medicinally for thousands of years. It has incredible therapeutic qualities, but it's especially really great for your respiratory system and for your skin. This is why you are always going to find eucalyptus at any kind of day spa. You're going to find it, in steam rooms at, the different spas. They're going to use it in massage oils. They're going to use it for Young Living uses it for therapeutic grade oils such as RC, which is an amazing blend. It's in Thieves, right, which we know is incredible for immune support. It's also in Raven, which again, respiratory system. It is in Inner Defense, which is a supplement that you can take that gives you immune boost internally. And it's in all kinds of products in the Thieves line, like the household cleaner and so on and so forth, okay? So it's part of the actual Thieves blend, this Eucalyptus Radiata, okay? What does it do? It's been treasured for centuries, of course, like I said, for its healing and medical properties, but has this very clean, invigorating, stimulating aroma, and it's just been prized for a long time. So here are some suggestions on how to use your Eucalyptus Radiata. Make your own do-it-yourself massage cream or ointment, really awesome on the muscles and soothing after a heavy workout, okay? Just working in the yard, whatever it is that you're doing when you need just a little bit. I mean, that's why they love to use this in sport massage oils. Diffuse it around your house for a fresh and clean scent. Mix it with a carrier oil and use a DIY chest rub. Oh, here's a great tip. Okay, put a couple drops of this on a washcloth and stick it in your shower with you, and the steam will get in there and create a nice eucalyptus steamy shower, right? Really open up those airwaves. It's amazing for inhalation, okay? It's a gorgeous, gorgeous oil with a very cooling, wonderful sensation, especially when it's infused into the steam. Add a few drops of it to your Thieves household cleaner to boost the, you guys, just because a cleaner comes with a certain formula doesn't mean you can't add something to it. I know some people love to add orange to it. You can add a little extra eucalyptus. Some people add extra dashes of lemon. So don't be afraid to dress it up to your own personal style and preference. And then, of course, just throwing it in the diffuser. It's an amazing oil. You guys are going to love it.